Good morning. Gusto niya kay Kuya Sak magpunta ng playground. Kasi si Kuya Sak,
take me to the playground later, please.
okay, Kuya Sak. Magra-ride kasi sila ulit sa boat. I don't know. Ay, kanin daw yung eggs.
You can have it. Yeah, we'll wait for Daddy.
Good morning. Good morning. Kamusta ang Sunday natin? Kamusta ang Sunday?
Eat more. You don't want egg? Kuya will take one. You can have
Ako
one.
naligo. Ako tinanggal ko yung sakit ng ulo ko. Sis, ganun.
Mag-ano ako, ligo din ako.
Hindi ako nang bala sa mga kids. Okay, yung kasa. Naligo guys. Ang sakit pagising. Ang sakit. Hindi ako nakatulog yung ito. Pag gumawa ganun.
Aminom ka ng ano gamot? What's the man?
So, naligo ako.
Yung anak ko, asawa ko.
Tulog.
Ay, hindi tulog. Shower.
Tapos tinanggal ko yung lashes ko. Okay.
Are you sure? That's... Yeah, sige, go for it.
Alis sila.
You can have it.
Okay na siya. Parang walang nangyari.
That's why you can have both if you want.
Parang walang nangyari. Tinanggal ko yung lashes ko na guys. Kasi medyo ano na to. Right?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Go for it. Just finish both, Kuya.
Yeah. It's Kuya.
Okay, up to you.
Morning, ate. Say morning, guys.
Extra eggs lang yan.
Ay,
Kasi
mga
walang
bata-
may gusto kanina. So,
Ang mga bata ngayon hindi happy.
hindi.
Hindi, what's wrong, baby? Ako na, magkapi ka na dyan. Magkapi ka na. Ako kay Zook. Zook! Nasaan si Zook? Hindi ko makita si Zook. Diyan tayo, Zook. Ano yung ating...
What? Where are you going? Where do you want to go?
Good morning.
Alright, let's wait for Daddy, okay? Because Daddy's in the shower. Daddy will take us.
Say good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. Sus, tatulog talagang anak mo sis.
Yeah. Talaga, tingnan mo talaga.
Sabay-sabay talaga sila. Sabay-sabay talaga. Kailangan ba sabay-sabay? One at a time.
Tingin kami ng mga picture ni Ayla nung dito 2021 niya. As in, kamukha ni Indy.
Kamukha mo si Ate Ayla? Ay! Tama man siya.
Kamukha mo si
Kamukha mo si Ate Ayla? Of course, that's your sister. Ano kamukha mo si Kuya Sak?
Daddy, you just missed the chaos. All three of your kids were crying.
Crying.
Daddy's back. Go, Daddy! Go, hello. Go to Daddy. Tell Daddy your problems in life. He wants to go out, Dada.
You want to play around? Can I change your nappy?
Yun lang.
Change your clothes.
Yun lang. Is that you? This one.
Where are your clothes yesterday? Don't annoy him, baby.
Very sensitive to them.
Black coffee lang. Nandun lang Nescafe.
Ah, yung dito? Provided?
Yeah.
Tinira mo na talaga yun.
Wala akong kape. Naubos na eh.
Sinagay niya na yung ano, yung Renmark coffee.
Oh, hot shot.
Yeah, she's eating on. Yeah. Careful, okay? Kasi ibabalik na raw yung boat. Ano yun? Nag-update siya?
Hindi, nagsabi lang siya na yun na yung battery ko.
Wala na, hindi na natin ma-vlog. Andun sila dyan, boating. Ha? They're doing. Dito na sila cut. Nagluto na yan ng rice. Nagluto na ng rice. Magsiswimming sila mamaya. Size 5. Kaya nga. Kasi malaki sa kanya yung last year. Oo. Andun yung mga boys talaga nag-i-enjoy. Careful careful. Not too fast. I know. Kay Ayla na. Kay Ayla. Yung suot ni Ayla. Sa kanya yan. Hello. Siya. Oh yes. Of course. Alis na sila. Puno. Oh my gosh, you guys are cute.
Goggles is in the bag.
Goggles is in the bag.
Nakaka-bluey.
Where's mom?
Okay.
Are you okay, ate? You're very strong.
Okay, go. Bye.
She's showing alright.
Bye.
He's doing some exercise in there.
Bye, Ala. Bye, guys. Cute. Ang heavy naman niya. Hindi pala sila mag-scooter.
Fully book ang wagon.
Ilan na? Hindi na next year, hindi na kasya.
Maano yung ilalim.
Iniingatan niya yung yung ating pan kasi nga non-stick siya. Tapos okay na yan. Siya ang chef natin ngayon
Okay
sa
na
breakfast.
to.
Okay na ang breakfast.
Okay.
Hinihintay ko yung mag-aama ko na dumaan dito. Kasi ang saya-saya ng voice, kaso nga lang ang layo. Hindi natin sila masyadong makita sa camera. Sige, be. Wag na, calorie deficit si sis. Kain na, luto ng aming yamo. So, thanks, sis. Niluto ni Sisi Kat. Hot dogs, sardines, ano ba to?
Corn beef.
Corned beef and itlog maalat. May kalamansi. Linagyan ng kalamansi?
Suka. Meron suka.
May ilang suka. Ayan, busog. Yung pinakain ko yan. Yan. Akala ko matutulog. Hindi naman pala. Si Randy Santiago po to. Dito po si Randy Santiago.
Michael Cinco.
Michael Sige, international time. Michael Cinco po siya.
Nag-request pa.
Michael Cinco pala tong katabi ko. Sorry po.
Visit eh.
Ang nasain ko pala.
Kung sikat, mag-adjust ka. Kunti na.
Mayroon naman pandesal.
Kayo rice ako.
Akala ko ba color
Thank you, Lord, for this food. Thanks, Cathy and Lyra for cooking. Kasi kat pala nag-cook. Ito late na.
Nagluto ako.
Hotdog. Huwag ka kumain hotdog.
Ito kumain na uwian na talaga bukas, sis.
Ay, sardinas lang. Kararating na lang, uwi na sila bukas.
Bilis ng araw, no?
Malamang, kararating nyo lang kapong, uwi na kayo bukas.
Sana na, gabi na ay hapon na rin kami nakarating. Kasi 2 o'clock man ang check-in.
Ano?
Kaya nga, akala namin 2 o'clock yung darating.
Tapos na late, bakit 2 o'clock na yung, yung ating check-in nyo.
Late na yung check-in. Sobrang
Late pa doon dumating. Dati inagahan nyo pa, 1:30, nandun na kayo, naghihintay.
Nakapila na 1:20 pa lang.
Pwede naman mag-pre-check-in.
Nag-pre-check-in na siya.
Hindi na kami sa reception.
Hindi na siya dumaan.
Hindi na kaya.
Kaya?
Pero naman yung kapit-bahay. Yung next year.
Kaya 60, 160 or 63. Eh? Para nang pinakausap.
Ang sarap ng ulam. Tagal ko hindi nakakain ng ganitong combo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Si Kuya kakain yun kasi may corn. Yung isa pa lang kahiyaan kayo. Ako lang kakain.
Busog ka na?
Sus naman to. Si Michael Singh. Busog na. Anong kinain nito? Hindi nasan si Ton nasa kwarto? Anong kinain niya?
Nagluto ako siya bacon.
Bacon.
Doon. Wala yung tulog.
So yung itlog na maalat pala, luto na pala siya pag binili mo?
Yeah. Hindi talaga siya talaga na gusto na no?
Ang alak.
Depende.
Malamang.
Depende. May masarap na yung nag-oil siya, hindi siya maalat. Yun ang masarap.
Sarap. Ang sarap ng hotdog.
Ano hotdog doon?
Kaya nga,
Tender juice.
Kasi wala pa naman akong low stop.
Nag-adjust kasi.
Naglalabasan yung mga monster nito.
Anong hotdog to? Tender juice.
Yung Argentina na cheese dog.
Morning, sir!
Afternoon.
Na-afternoon na pala.
After na?
Ay,
Wala pa.
Nila pa. Morning pa lang pala. Morning.
Hello, beautiful.
Are you wet, ha?
Parang hindi na.
Ang galing talaga ni Berry Glow. The best talaga siya.
Ano ka? Lumabas ka?
Pag-gising ko, as in talaga. As in talaga. The best talaga
Kagabi,
Kagabi siya
ako
nag-go.
inabutan, yeah. Pero pag lumabas na, hindi na ulit.
Minsan, pag bago ka.
Minsan, pag madami kang kinain.
Minsan mas gusto ko nga ganun. Tapos na kayo kumain, ayan siya naghugas. Favorite niyang job yan. Kami kanta kami.
Still going strong. Still the one I run to.
We're still together, still going strong. Still the one I love to, the one I belong to. Still the one I want for life. Still the one I love, the only one I dream of. Still the one I kiss goodnight. Still the one. Kata naman ka, baka no. Ito yung sarili mong may microphone. Di ba tayo may sarili mong microphone? Nasa pool. Dalhin mo ulit. Dalhin mo yung sabi niya. Sabi yung run to the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight. Birthday ko pa din, happy birthday ko. Happy birthday, long weekend ba yun? Sana all long weekend ang birthday. Baby. Huwag mo kasi kaya, hindi na natapos birthday mo. Kunin mo na yung microphone mo sa pool. Dali ko lang kaya. May phone daw po siya nasa pool. Dapat naman na yung pwede nila. Dali na lang. Ano na natin? Ay, naku, ano kaya na ito? Wala ba yung practice moment on? Practice moment. Iba yun. Iba yun. Ano ko yun? Siya na yun. Ah, siya na yun. Ayan. Tay mo kat, go push. Kaya mo yan. Kagabi pa siya kakante. Thank you guys. Iba lang yung microphone niya. Andray, lips. To the one ala, ina to tayo. Ano? Ano to, ina? Natae? Ay, ala. Tae na. Ayan, ikaw na. Kumain na si Indy. Dito ka na. Ikaw. Nagtae si Indy, guys. Nag-yellowish na yung kanya. Yellow, mas pinili. Ikaw na kapili kayo na. Ay, uy, yung ano, wala na. You are the one, life is like you. I belong. Bait-bait ng kata niya. From this moment on, from this moment, I have been blessed. I am only for your happiness and for your love. I am blessed from this moment on. Ay, maganda na. I give my heart to you with all my heart. Kaya kasi, I can't let you live my life without. Binaboy na yung kanta. You and I will never be apart. Thank you guys. My dreams came true. Kaya kasi, because of you. Just come on. Wait, here. Now I'm sure. Come on, Ayla. I should go on her. Ooh, baby, you should so cool. You better catch me like a couple. Okay, Ayla, here, come here. So they can see you singing. Wala. You get you off. Taking out hair like, oh my god. Taking off a shirt, I did that once or twice. No. Ate, there's a lyrics I need to read. So far away, take a hater. I know that I was sorry. Isn't it sad boy? Not my business. You don't want it. Okay, can Tita Manay sing? What do you want to sing? You tell me. Wherever you go, that's where I follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow. So I'ma love you every night like it's the last time. Like it's the last time. You think the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the party was over and I tell when I was you, I wanna hold you just for a while. Good job, Shay. And die with a smile. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. Ina siya na yung sabay na habang nandito siya. Magsabay na lang tayo. Sing please, please, please. After this. Wanna sing please, please, Monica? Yes, ate. There's a lyric out there. While we scream, I don't even wanna do it anymore. There's a pretty little bitch try out there. You ain't know what you mean to me, and I was the only one left fighting for. Wherever you go, that's where I follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last time, like it's the last time. Thank you, Daydream. And I wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth was through, I wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. Next to you. Good job, Baba. Okay. Yung isa ko naman naghahanap na pagkain. Goto, Israel.
Isa ko naman naghahanap na pagkain.
Gotom Israel. May Gotom Israel doon.
Nandito yun eh. Nandito lang talaga yung snack ko eh. Nakita ko. Ayun na.
Ayan, nakahanap na snake.
Can you share, please? Share with the rest.
Yagat. Okay. So,
Please. Please, Monica.
come on, ate.
Monica.
Sing, ate.
Ha?
Ayaw niya daw mag-sing.
Ayaw niya, nahiya siya dahil.
Nahiya siya.
Demure, ano pa siya eh? Demure.
Demure pa siya.
7 years ba yun?
I know I have good judgment. I know I have good taste. It's funny and it's trial. The only I feel that way, I promise to just do it. And everyone makes mistakes, but love don't. I heard you were an actor, so I thought to stand up guard. I'm gonna do this song. Don't let me nothing out. I'll tell them it's just your coach.
Veronica, go to DJ.
Please, 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 don't prove I'm right. Where's the other one? And please, please, don't bring me to tears later just to sing out. Ain't that so right? Heartbreak is one thing, my ego's another. I beg you don't embarrass me, mother drunk her eyes. Please, please, please. Tingnan niya pa ikaw kung sasabihin niya yung words. Well, I have a run like beer, babe. Maybe just stay inside. I know you're craving some friendship, but the feeling is so nice, and we can be so happily. No one knows that you're with me. I'm just kidding. Really, 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 please, 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 don't prove I'm right. And please, 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 don't bring me the things that I just like my makeup some night. Heartbreak is one thing, my ego another. I beg you don't embarrass me, mother trucker. Please, please, please.
Ayaw ni ano kumanta ni
If
Veronica.
you wanna go and be stupid, don't maybe do it in front of me.
Kumanta sila dyan? Konti.
If you don't wanna come to my music, don't make me hate you relentlessly. Please, 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 please.
Thank you. Well done, ate.
Where are you going? Playground with who? With who? With who?
Who are you going with?
Who are you going with?
Ayura? Did you look after him?
How? Who? With who?
Kuya Zach?
Yeah, Kuya Sak. Mag-playground sila ni Kuya Sak.
Have a hug, please, before you go. Thank you,
Aww.
Baba.
Kasi kanina umaga, di ba, umiyak siya kasi pinangakuan siya ni Kuya Sak. Ngayon na yon. Kasi kanina nag-voting si Kuya. Careful ha! Sak, you have kids ha? Okay. Si Sis pala naggagawa siya doon ng nachos niya. Ako magpiprito ako ng spring rolls. Tapos na siya dito eh. Ako naman. Pero tayo dito yung... Ito yung ginagamit natin kasi eh. Para malalim. Ayun ang gawa ni Sisi. Mainit pa, Sis.
Ayan.
Sarap. Ang bango.
Yan o yung ano meat.
Kain tayo, guys.
Ilagan Nor. Nor.
Sarap. Lagyan more. Ano nga pag may jalapeno? Naked.
What do you want?
Ay, ito pa.
You already had a lot of water, Baba.
Kain na. Dikin daw, lamon na to. Ready daw.
Ready?
Narinig yan na eh.
Kanina pa pala naghihintay.
Yeah, go for it. Come on. Stop.
Ang dami pala, sis.
Ang
Dalawang layer.
Exactly, boy. Nachos.
Ila, do you want nachos?
Sarap.
I want nachos. I love your nachos.
Jack, this one is a bit spicy, the jalapeno.
Go on this side.
I don't care.
I don't care?
Up to you.
Okay.
Which one's the non-spicy?
This side. This one.
No, only. Just
Where's
don't
the
get,
spicy?
just don't get this one.
Yeah.
Sarap?
Yeah.
Get with the meat.
Yeah. Sarap there?
Get with the salsa. This one.
Yeah, grab the meat and the...
Ano? Good. Refreshing kasi meron.
Sabi ko parang ang dilim.
Yeah, my
Ay, animal naman sa glasses sa lalaki. Ang sarap ng maasim pag mayroon.
Ayan.
Marami pa to sa ilalim.
Hindi na sila nagtatago kasi.
May jalapeno dito.
Ayan. Init lang. Nilagay ko na yung ating spring rolls.
You use the chicken fries?
Yeah.
30 pieces ata to. Bakit daw?
It's alright. She's cooking.
I'm cooking spring rolls. Sinong boss ang bibigyan niya?
Mga bata.
Yung lalaki.
You never say.
It's, yeah. The white, so like a cheese.
Si cook nga ba? Like mommy? Yeah, the white cheese.
Yeah. No, just mayo.
Wala na paper towel dyan. Wala na paper towel. No. Gamitin na lang natin yung ito, baking paper.
Did you get some, baby?
I don't want those ones.
Yan, luto na yung ating spring rolls. Meron pa doon. And yung nachos ni Sisi, ayan. And sikat nagdalang Doritos. Masarap din ito guys na gawin na nachos na ganito, na cheese.
Really,
Ang sarap. Lalo pag may jalapenos. Ano? Oo. Umalis to. And ayan, kumakain na siya. Pinunta niya yung friend niya kasi nandito rin yung friend niya. And yung mga bata, ready na sila. Bye-bye! Get the sunscreen, baby.
Wait, wait,
Lagyan natin sunscreen. Sunscreen! Next year si Indy, sasama na yan sa swimming. Nakaalis na yung mga bata at yung mga matatanda. Hindi si Kat lang, tsaka si Dan and Neil and John.
Kay Kat, lagi naman siya
Tulog na.
naliligo talaga.
Oh, lagi siya naglulubog. Last year
Kami
lang
dalawa
ako.
hindi na talaga.
Kayong dalawa, never talaga kayo, ever since.
Uy,
Oh,
tayo lang.
ayun tayo lang. Oh, once lang din. Ayan si Neil. Wala na Neil. Nauna na sila doon.
naiwan ka na.
Naiwan na si Neil. Napatulog natin si Indy, guys. Sa aking yug-yug.
Alam mo, ano siya, dahil sa init siguro.
They're gone.
Gone.
I missed the box.
Yeah, you missed the bus. You did.
Just, and you were always, like, almost close to,
That's right. Now you have to go back. Malapit yung cabin nila sa sa pool.
Ay, ang sarap nitong ano.
Gawa ka. Ayun si sis.
ayan na naman tayo sa gagawa ng
Buti.
grade sis.
Huwag mo yan lagyan ng Aperol, sis, ha? Oh my God, sis, di ko na naman
Ito
may
na naman tayo sa
inom.
gagawa ng,
Ikaw, Ira!
okay lang.
May pa-ice yung apple cider na lang kami. Wow, apple cider na lang kami. Hindi na tubig.
Hindi ka prosecco.
Hindi na prosecco. Shit, ayoko na talaga. Yun yung 18 karat gold. Kahit $100 yun
In
dito.
fairness kay Katang, dami niinom, hindi siya nalasing.
Hindi nga. Ako, sakit ng ulo ko talaga. Niligo ko talaga. Tinanggal ko pati lashes na damay. Nadamay yung plaster ko. Inano ko talaga siya.
Tinanggal mo?
Tinanggal ko sa
Ay, binunot mo pala sis.
sa shower. Tumagal kasi ako sa shower din. Tapos inano ko yung ulo ko talaga dun. Ganun pala ang feeling pag ang sakit ng ulo na hindi mo alam. Tapos alam mong uminom ka.
Hindi pa talaga.
Tapos sabi ni Jan, hangover ka. I don't know, maybe.
Nakita niyo siguro no.
Nakita niya, ang daming
kang
bote. Ang dami.
Tapos in fairness,
So ito yung ginawa ni Sisi. Apple cider to. Hindi na kasi malamig. Ilagay na siya ng ice. Monyekta! Monyeka! Alis na sila. Ayan, alis na si Inde.
wag iyak.
Mag-iiyak. Iyak, my baby girl. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Nakatulog ako. Napatulog ko si Indy. Peekaboo. Nakatulog kami ni Indy. Lahat yung nakatulog. Ngayon uuwi na sila. 6 o'clock. See ya. Inday. Inday. See you, Inday. Kami magdi-dinner kami.
I'm going in front.
Okay. They're going.
We need to bring their bike po.
Bye-bye.
Dating kami ng bahay. Thank you for playing with Ayla. Aray!
Gabi ka sa hangin niya.
Gabi sa akin.
Capture na capture ko ang iyong ano. Ay, ano yan?
See you soon.
Bye.
Guys, tutaragis ka.
Okay, we're off to Renmark.
we going in the morning?
Renmark, ano yun?
In the
Pub.
morning?
Yeah, Renmark Pub kami. Kung sa kami nag-first dinner. So, kitain na lang namin doon sila Kat and Lai. Kasi sila Sisi,
Dad, next year
heading home na sila. Next year, what?
we're bringing the donut.
Do we have donut?
Yeah.
Do we?
Yeah. And label.
Oh yeah, why you didn't bring that one, huh?
didn't know we were getting it.
Oh,
And a life jacket stud.
So, meron kaming donut tsaka kneeboard pero hindi namin dinala kasi hindi naman namin alam magre-rent ng boat. Like this one, right? Yeah, that one.
How come we didn't have a biscuit
That one?
like that, Dad?
Huh?
Biscuit
That
naman yun.
biscuit there. How come we didn't have the...
Dito na tayo sa Renmark Club. So, dalawang table tayo. Dito yung adults, doon ang kids. Kinaan tayo ni dyan ng lemon bitters. Buti na lang wala siya dyan.
Pag-send ka, pangalawang
Then, here please. Thank you. Thank you. Ito yung akin. Ito rin yung order ko last time eh.
Mukha naman masarap.
Masarap man.
Hindi pala ng
Kaya nag-order.
Kaya alam, gutom na sila. Ando sa salad ba?
Kain tayo. Ay, may salad ba? Ay. Tingin din ako doon sa salad doon. Kuha tayo ng salad. Meron silang bread. Kuha tayong isa. Fresh. Oh. Meron siya dyan na garlic bread. I can have the half, han? Okay na. you.
Down base.
Ayan yung salad.
Yeah.
No, kumain ako niyan nung isang araw. Strong siya, di ba? Strong yung ano yan.
No, I can't play that quick player.
Thank you.
Do this, son. Do this.
Yeah, ayan na yung kay Johnny Boo.
A half snake with lettuce topping.
Yeah.
What you got, babe? Oh, I like that one on. Is that creamy garlic? Kuya? Si Kuya, ano squid? Favorite ni Kuya ang squid.
One there. What about the other one?
And Milsey. Parmi kaysa. Kaya dyan ang...
That looks like butter.
You don't have sauce, Holly? Why you don't have sauce? Boring.
You gotta ask them, but they'll give you all that squid in one little time.
Brownies with ice with chocolate. Brownies with chocolate. Brownies with ice cream. Tapos na kayo mag-dinner. Nice and warm.
Jack and rice.
Nothing.
Busog na busog ako.
They're not jaws. I know.
They're not dorts, mate.
Bro, this is fine. Look, I'm not even touching it.
They're milky.
It's nice, it's nice. What the?
It is. It is.
You can feel the heat coming off the wrist.
Oh, that did not hurt.
It's warm.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Sorry, animals
Feel
like
that. Feel that.
Yeah, it is.
Nah, it's still the same.
Like a heater. Ang init.
I'll try it over here.
It's an office.
Ah, bloody hell.
No, no, because it was hot. It was hot.
That's about 30 degrees.
Pinifeel lang kasi mainit.
It's like I'm tucked up
May
against
singaw
it.
na init. Ang init, di ba?
Feel the heat off that roll.
It's hot. Heat. Last night, tonight. Dapat pala kinanta natin yun. Last night.
How's your day today?
The day of you is not really
It's not
a good
because
day.
My memory card is under there.
Yung memory card niya, guys, it's under the
the
ground. Under the ground. No vlog for the whole run, Mark.
That's the whole landmark and the
Get ready. Drone shot pa pala yan, nag-drone.
Yeah, oh my god.
Wow,
It's
we'll
all gone.
see.
It's under there.
Under there, if you wanna watch you, dig it in. Dig in there. So we just gonna drink so we
Here you go,
can
madam.
so you can forget.
Here you go, madam.
You can forget. Thank you. Cheers.
Buksan natin ng ilaw. Bakit ba tayo
Kasi, ano kasi yung fly, pero okay lang, nabuksan mo na.
Malamok ba? Kainin tayo ng lamok.
Pero nag-adjust naman ang camera.
Masarap naman pa. Kita na yung labing-labing natin
That's
dito.
ruined everything.
Babe, kita na yung labing-labing natin.
Ay, ang tamis. Sarap.
Tamis nga. Labing-labing ng scar, oh.
Meron akong ano, ayan, fish skins, salted egg. Saan ako ito nabili? Sa Costco.
Meron sila. Oh, parang si Arlo, mini kisses.
Good night. Love you.
You have a bed.
Yeah, no, it's gonna scroll.
You're just gonna talk to your girlfriend, Zachary.
Wala pa siya daw girlfriend.
Wala daw yun.
Ayan. Yung sana namin.
Ang aga matulog, 9 o'clock.
This kid's girlfriend's at 9. 10.
Naunti ng laman.
Ha?
Naunti ng laman.
Siyempre.
It's more on hangin.
Pero masarap siya.
Ay, ang sarap ng muskaton. Tamis
Ang
naman.
tamis.
I'm reading the back of that packet correctly.
Yes.
Salted egg fish
Cash.
sticks.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's right.
Try, Sonia. Napayak siya.
It says
Nag-edit
it's addictive.
ako. And uploading na siya.
Crunchy, crispy, addictive.
It probably is for fish.
Triton. It's good. It's the skin
Is
of...
it fishing bait?
Ano?
Wow, it's good. But we never know what kind of fish.
It's carp.
Is it?
Inuukan ka sa
Oh,
carp.
wala na. Tapos na yung moments. Mag-ano pa lang siya. Bye. Uwi na sila, guys. See you tomorrow. Yun na yung vlog natin today. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in my next vlog. Good night. Good night. See you tomorrow.
Because I think I do want you next to me.